Good morning, my dear students. Yes. So, in the last class, we have discussed the introduction about the accountancy. Okay. But today, we will have to start the syllabus. Okay. Before that, we will have to give the chapters regarding the accountancy subjects. Then we go for the first chapter is called Introductions to Accounting. Okay? ನೋಡಿ accountancy chapter subject ಅಲ್ಲಿ so ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 1 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು that is part 2. So first we will discuss part 1, then we go for part 2. Okay? ಈಗ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 1 ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಅಕೌಂಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 1 ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 2 ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 that is introductions to accounting. Introduction to accounting. Introductions to accounting. Next, that is second very important chapter. Okay na? Chapter number 2. So chapter number 2. That chapter is called theory base of accounting. Theory base of accounting. Okay. The next chapter number 3. So each chapter yavudu ante that is recording of transactions 1. Recording of transactions 1. Recording of transaction 1. Next chapter number 4. So ಯಾವ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ recording of transactions 2. Recording of transaction 2. Next chapter number 5. That chapter is called bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement. Next chapter number 6. That chapter is called trial balance and rectification of errors. Trial balance and rectification of errors. Rectification of errors. So this is the sixth very important chapter. The next chapter is called depreciation. Chapter number 7. Depreciation. Next provisions. Depreciation. And reserves. So next last very important chapter number 8. That chapter is called bill of exchange. ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಅಕೌಂಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 1 ಮತ್ತು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ we will have to take part 1. After the completion of part 1, book, then we go for part 2 book. Okay, so in that part 1 book there are 8 very important chapters will be there. Okay, so the first very important chapter, chapter number 1, that chapter is called Introductions to Accounting. Introductions to Accounting. Accounting ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು introduction ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. In that chapter we will have to discuss the meaning of accounting, features of accounting, the next two, that is objectives of accounting, and some of the very important basic terms we will have to use here in this case of accounting. That terms we will have to discuss here in this case of introductions to accounting, and the process of accounting we will have to discuss. Okay, here in this chapter, this is basically the theory aspect. Okay na, that is called introductions to accounting. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ introductions to accounting ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ introductions to accounting ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Here in this chapter we will have discuss the meaning of accounting, the definition of accounting, features of accounting, next branches of accounting, objectives of accounting, and process of accounting, and the basic terms we will have to use in the case of accounting. That the terms we will have to discuss in this case of introductions to accounting. Okay, so this is one of the first very important chapter. Okay, the next second chapter, chapter number 2, theory base of accounting. Theory base of accounting. Theory base of accounting ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So some of the very important theories we will have to theory base of accounting ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ basic what we call theory concepts. Okay ನಾ, so ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ accounting concepts ಬರ್ತವೆ. So business entity concept ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, cost concept ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, matching concept ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. So accounting concepts ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. That is called theory base of accounting ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Here in this chapter we will have to discuss the basic concepts of accounting. Okay, some of the softest concepts, some of the very important accounting concepts will be there. That concepts we will have to discuss here in this case of theory base of accounting. 101% that the chapter is very important. Okay, for your examination point. Okay, 100% theory base of accounting is one of the very important chapter. Okay, so that chapter is called theory base of accounting. It is purely a theory. Okay na, here in this case of theory base of accounting, here in this we are not doing any problems. Okay na, so here in this we are write only a theory concepts. Okay, next chapter number 3, recording of transactions. Okay, recording of transactions 1 and recording of transaction. Okay na, so recording of transactions 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ so journal ledger ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So that is what we call recording of transactions 1, journal ledger. Okay na, so journal ಮತ್ತೆ ledger ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3ನೇ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. We have to discuss only a theory concepts. So after the completion of 2 chapters, the next 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this chapter we will have to solve some of the very important problems. Okay na, so theory base of accounting, recording transactions ಅಲ್ಲಿ journal ಮತ್ತೆ ledger ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ problems ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay na, so next chapter number 4, recording of transactions 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ recording of transactions 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ some of the very important books ಅನ್ನು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay na, cash book ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, petty cash book ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, 2 column cash book ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, simple column cash book ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. Okay na, so ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. That is recording of transactions 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Okay na, next chapter number 5, okay, bank reconciliation statement. Okay, so ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, ನನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ 12 marks. Okay, bank reconciliation statement. Okay, bank reconciliation statement ಅನ್ನೋದು so okay na, ಇಲ್ಲಿ bank balance as per cash book, bank balance as per passbook. Okay na, bank overdraft as per passbook, bank overdraft as per cash book. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಈ bank reconciliation statement ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. Okay na, next chapter number 6, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎರರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, now trial balance and the rectification of errors. So this is also one of the very important chapter. So each chapter you 6 months ki problems ana solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Next chapter number 7, depreciation provisions and reserves. This is one of the very important chapter. Okay, now depreciation provisions and reserves. So ultimately one of the very important chapter is called bill of exchange. Okay, now totally there are 8 very important chapters will be there in this case of part A book. Okay, so part A ನಲ್ಲಿ so part 1 ಅಥವಾ part A part first ಅಥವಾ so A ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 that is introductions to accounting. So chapter number 2 theory base of accounting. Chapter number 3 recording of transaction. Chapter number 4 recording of transactions 2. Next chapter number 5 that is bank reconciliation statement. Chapter number 6 trial balance and rectification of errors. Chapter number 7 depreciation provisions and reserves. Chapter number 8 bill of exchange. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಎರಡು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್, ಥಿಯರಿ ಬೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಥಿಯರಿ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಸೊ ಥಿಯರಿ ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಥಿಯರಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ನಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾನ್ಯದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಮೂಲಿಯಾಗಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ರಿಕನ್ಸಿಲಿಯೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎರರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಡಿಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 8 ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲಿ 8 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸೊ this is the part 1 chapters. Okay, so here in this case of part 1 so book, the first we have to take the chapter number 1. That chapter is called introductions to accounting. Okay na, ಇವತ್ತು introductions to accounting ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ ನಾ, ಸೊ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? 8 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. So out of 8 chapters, first we have to take so that is chapter number 1, introductions to accounting. Okay na, introductions to accounting ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay na, so before we are going to start the accounting concept, first we will have to discuss the meaning of bookkeeping. Okay na, in the last class we have to discuss the concept is called bookkeeping. Okay, so introductions to accounting ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ once again we will have to recall the meaning of that is called bookkeeping. What is this bookkeeping? So keeping the records of business transactions. Okay na, so that is called as a bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is nothing but recording the day-to-day financial transactions of our business organization. Day-to-day recording the day-to-day transactions of our business organization. That concept is called bookkeeping ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದೇ ಬುಕ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? ಬುಕ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ recording the day-to-day financial transactions of our business organization ಅಥವಾ day-to-day transactions of our business organization. That one we can call it as bookkeeping ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ. The next concept is called accountancy. What is the meaning of accountancy? Accountancy is nothing but, according to Eric Waller defines that word accountancy, it is nothing but theory and practice of accounting. So theory and practice of accounting, that concept is called accountancy. Here in this case of an accountancy, we will have to follow some procedures and principles. Okay na, so in this case of we have to follow some principles and procedures. Okay na, for recording the transactions of our business organization. That concept is called as accountancy. Accountancy it is nothing but, according to Eric Waller defines that word accountancy, it is nothing but, okay na, so that is it is a theory and practice of accounting. So here in this case of an accountancy concept, here in this case we have to maintain, we have to follow some procedures and principles while we have to record the transactions of our business organization. That concept is called accountancy. Okay, then we will come to the another one of the very important concept is called accounting. What is the meaning of accounting? Okay, accounting it is nothing but, first of all it is a process. Accounting is a process. Okay na, Accounting is the process of, that is identifying the transactions, okay na, measuring, recording, okay na, so recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting and communicating the information to the end users of the business organization for the purpose of taking the best decision regarding the management. That concept is totally we can call it as accounting. Okay na, accounting andre ಏನು ಅಲ್ಲ, accounting is nothing but, so first of all is the process of identifying, okay na, identifying, so identifying, measuring, identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, next analyzing and interpreting, analyzing and interpreting, analyzing and interpreting and communicating, so this is the concept is called what we call accounting ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದಾ? Accounting is the process, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಯೆ. ಈ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so it is one of the very important concept in this case of accountancy. So what is this identifying? In our business organizations we have to identify the transactions of our business, okay na, ಏನೆಲ್ಲ transactions ಆಗಿದೆ, that transactions we have to identify for that. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ, ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ, ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಏನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಮೆಷಿನರಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಾ, ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಾ, ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ನ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಾ, ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ದಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ we have to identify in this case of, that is accounting, okay na. First we have to identify for that, first we have to identify the transactions of our business organization, okay. This is the first very important process. ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯವಹಾರಗಳು ನಡೆದಿದೆ, ನಡೆಯತಕ್ಕಂತ ವ್ಯವಹಾರಗಳನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ we have to identify for that. Next, measuring, okay na, measuring, what is this measuring, okay na, the measuring is expressed in terms of money, okay na. So ಏನು ಹಣಕಾಸಿನ ವ್ಯವಹಾರಗಳು ಏನು ನಡೆದಿದೆ, ಹಣಕಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಿದೆಯಾ, so ಅದೇನು ನಡೆದಿದೆ, that one we have to measure for that, okay na. So measuring, next recording, all ಏನು ಆಗಿದೆ information transaction ನಡೆದಿದೆ, that one we have to record, okay na. In this case of journal, okay na. So ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್, that one we have to record. In this case of journal book, okay na. So ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, then classify ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Classify ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, bifurcating all the activities, okay na, bifurcating the what we call transactions, okay na, bifurcate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, okay na. So ಏನು what we call account wise, ಈಗ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೀಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸಮರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸಮರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಓಕೆನಾ. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದ ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್, net loss, okay na, or financial position of the business organization, okay na. So this is called summarizing ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Next, analyzing and interpreting, okay na. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆಯಾ. So after the analysis then we will have to give the interpreting, okay na. So interpreting plan, okay na. After analyzing and interpreting then we will have to communicate ಆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ that information we will have to communicating to the, okay na. So end users of the business organizations like shareholders or managers or decision makers, why we will have to give that type of information to that person. So they will have to take the decision regarding the management of the business organization. So that's why we will have to communicate this type of information to that person. Okay na? That is called communicating and ಹೇಳಿದಿರ್ತೀವಿ. Okay na? So this is the concept is called accounting ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಿರ್ತೀವಿ. Okay na? Identifying ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ communicating ತನಕ in between ಎಲ್ಲ actions ಇರುತ್ತೆ, in between ಎಲ್ಲ process ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That is the concept is called accounting ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Accounting is nothing but first of all it is the process of identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, and interpreting, and finally communicating to the end users of the business organization. The end users in the sense the managers, shareholders, okay na? So etc. We will have to give that type of information to that person for the purpose of they will have to take the decision regarding the management. That concept is called accounting ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? So this is one of the very important question for 2 marks in your examination. What is accounting? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Accounting is nothing but first of all it is the process of identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, and interpreting. Finally, we will have to communicate the information to the end users of the business organizations or decision makers of the business organization. For the purpose of they will have to take the best decision regarding the management. That concept is called as well accounting. Are you clear? So this is the concept is called accounting. Okay. So ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Accounting first of all is the process of identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting. Finally, we will have to communicate the information to the end users of the business organization. Okay. For the purpose of they will have to take the best decision regarding the management. That concept is called accounting. It is one of the very important question for 2 marks in your examination. Are you clear? So okay. So in the next class, we will have to discuss features of accounting, objectives of accounting, and some of the very important basic terms we will have to use here in this case of accounting concept. That concept we will have to discuss in the next class. Okay? Thank you.